This is a video on creating users for this virtual terminal or gateway account and managing those users. To create a new user with access to this gateway account, navigate to the control panel. Then, click on User Management and New User. Enter a username, first name and last name, and an email address. You can choose the start page for this user, and depending on the page that you select, that will be the tab that the user will find themselves on when they log into the gateway account. If you'd like to limit this user to accessing the gateway only from a specific IP address, such as your office IP address, enter the allowed IP address here. If you'd like to allow this user to log into this account from any IP address, leave this blank. Then, choose to mark this user as a master user with full permissions to do everything available in this gateway account, or leave them marked as a limited user, and then choose the specific access you'd like to grant this specific user. Only those actions that are checked off will be available for this user. When you're done, click Save. Once done, the user will get an email with credentials, allowing them to log into the account. Once the user account is created, they will appear on your list of users, along with the related action options, including activating or deactivating the user, restoring their password, which allows you to send the password reset email to this user, an Edit User button so you can edit their profile and permissions, and a Delete User, which will remove their access and remove their listing from this list entirely. You can also set specific transaction settings by user by clicking on the Edit User button and then clicking on Transaction Settings in the top right corner. Here is where you can customize the card check and terminal tab on the Process Transaction page for this specific user. Don't forget to click on Save Changes when you're done. If you'd like to create transaction settings that will affect all users on this account, then, within the User Management list, click on the Transaction Settings button in the top right corner. Then, set the settings you'd like to affect all users, click on Save to all users, and save your changes.